Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.
Okay, I'm going to try a slightly different tack. I've got 7 sets of ASP on, all chained. I've got ASP 200 on standby and the 450s also on standby should I need them. Plan is that I'm going to undo all of these and then I'm going to do the 200 swirl and hopefully get it up to 9 in the 1 minute. So, same as before, we're going to use echo to do our timer. So echo, start a 1 minute timer.
1 minute, starting now.
Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eight. Come on, get in there. 9, that's equal. Oh, get on. 9.5. Okay. So maybe I need to pick up 2 sets and slap 2 sets on and then extract myself that way. So let's see. I have to give myself a little bit of a break, but there we go. I've equaled, but not beaten. So, until next time, stay safe. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ra!